Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to limit the related videos shown at the end of your YouTube videos embedded with the Divi video module. By default, YouTube displays a selection of related videos after your clip finishes. Unfortunately, these could include videos from competitors or completely irrelevant content that distracts your visitors from your site. We'll show you how to prevent this and ensure only videos from your own channel appear. To achieve this, we'll use the rel equals 0 parameter, which tells YouTube to restrict related videos to the same channel. While Divi's video module removes this parameter if you add it directly, you can still make it work using two methods, the Divi Booster plugin or PHP code. Throughout this tutorial, we'll guide you through both options so you can choose the approach that works best for you. Let's jump in and get started. To limit YouTube-related videos to the same channel using Divi Booster, the process is very straightforward. Divi Booster introduces a built-in option in the video module, allowing you to easily toggle a setting to ensure that only videos from your channel are displayed. Here's how you can apply this feature to your Divi video module. To use the feature we need, you'll first need to get the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster is a popular tool that enhances Divi with hundreds of new features, including the one we'll be using here. If you haven't already, you can purchase the plugin by following the link provided in the accompanying post. Once purchased, you'll receive a divibooster.zip plugin file. Download this file to your computer so that it's ready for installation in the next step. And if you've already purchased Divi Booster, you can access the plugin file directly from your Divi Booster account. Make sure you have it downloaded before moving forward. To install the Divi Booster plugin, start by uploading the plugin zip file to your site. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New Plugin, followed by Upload Plugin. From there, click on Choose File, locate the downloaded divibooster.zip file on your computer, and select it. Next, click Install Now. Once the upload is complete, simply activate the plugin, and the new features, including the one we'll be using, will be added to Divi. To begin editing your page, first navigate to the page where you want to make changes. Once you're there, look at the WordPress admin bar at the top of the page. Click on the button labeled Enable Visual Builder. This will open the page in the Divi Builder, allowing you to make your edits directly within the visual interface. Next, locate the video module within your layout that you'd like to modify. If you haven't added a video module yet, you can include one at this point. Once you've identified the module, hover over it to reveal the module buttons. If your Divi Builder is set to click mode instead of hover, simply click on the module instead. Finally, select the gear icon to open the module's settings and proceed with your adjustments. In the video module settings, navigate to the Content tab, then expand the Video section. Look for the option labeled Limit YouTube-related videos to same channel. Simply set this option to Yes. This ensures that any related videos displayed after your YouTube video finishes will only come from the same channel. This feature was introduced in Divi Booster version 2.8.3, and as of version 4.5.0, it also applies to playlists, restricting their related videos to your channel as well. Once you've made the changes in your video module settings, don't forget to save them. Look for the green checkmark button at the bottom of the module settings window. Click on it, and your changes will be saved to the module. When you're finished making your edits, make sure to save the entire page. To do this, open the Page Settings toolbar by clicking on the round purple 3 dots button located at the bottom of the Visual Builder area. Once the toolbar opens, simply click on the Save button to save your changes. To see the changes in action, navigate to the front end of your site and locate the video module you updated. Play the YouTube video and let it run until the end. When it finishes, any related videos displayed by YouTube should now only be from your own channel. This confirms that the settings have been applied successfully. If you're comfortable working with PHP, you can also use code to limit YouTube-related videos to your own channel. This approach involves adding a specific PHP snippet to your site, which ensures that only videos from your channel are displayed after your YouTube video ends. Let's walk through how you can set this up. To begin, you'll need to install the Code Snippets plugin. This free plugin is an excellent tool for adding and managing PHP code snippets on your site without directly editing files. It's simple to use and allows you to keep everything well organized. Alternatively, if you already have a child theme set up, you can add the PHP code directly into the child theme's functions.php file. Either approach will work, so choose whichever you're more comfortable with. To create a new code snippet for your PHP code, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar menu, click on Snippets, and then select Add New from the submenu. This will open an interface where you can add, organize, and manage your snippet effectively. Once you're there, you're ready to start adding your new code snippet. To add the YouTube channel limiting PHP code, you'll first need to paste the provided code into the blank code snippet box. This code searches through the content on your site and automatically adds the rel 0 parameter to any embedded YouTube videos. Once you have the code, copy and paste it into the Add New Snippets section in the Code Snippets plugin interface. Give your snippet a descriptive title so it's easy to identify later. Finally, click the Activate button to apply the changes to your site. This will ensure related videos are limited to your own channel across your embedded YouTube videos. For a visual reference, check the image provided in the accompanying post. To verify your changes, visit the front end of your site and locate one of your YouTube videos. Play the video all the way to the end. When it finishes, any related videos YouTube displays should now be exclusively from your own channel. This confirms that the configuration was applied successfully. And that's it. We've covered 2 simple methods to ensure YouTube doesn't show your visitors related videos from other channels, or even worse, your competitors. By implementing these changes, you can keep your audience focused on your content, build better engagement, and avoid distractions that could lead to losing visitors. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you create a more seamless experience for your users.